And this is the beginning of the Best in France, Italy car show. We met up over at Bob's Body Shop over here in Van Nuys. We had several cars show up. We've had a lot of X19s. We had an 850, some Alphas, some 500s, and we're going to be heading to the park, Woodley Park, in just a little bit. 1, 2, 3. We love Italian cars! All right. Okay, so it looks like everybody's had their fill, and now we're going to be headed to Woodley Park for the big French-Italian car show. So the Best of France and Italy has been going on for a few hours now. We're approaching 3 o'clock. Unfortunately, I did not start filming as early as I should have, so some of the cars have left. But as you can see, there's still a lot of cars here at 3 o'clock. A lot of people, a lot of beautiful Italian cars. And I'm just going to walk down one of the main strips here so you can get an idea of the quality and the number of vehicles that are here at the Best of France and Italy. This is Ken's 1970 Fiat 124, nice car. Full of Spiders, a whole bunch of X19s, highly modified X19 right here. A sharp looking 124. Another one. This is a 1971 124. And the owner Jack, he has it for sale. So if anyone's interested in the car, it's still available. Has a 2-liter engine. Everything's like highly redone at a high quality. Tino here. Just a beautiful car, gorgeous. And this car looks like a show car. Everything's super clean on it. And a whole bunch of Alfa Romeos in the background. And this is X19 row. Pretty much the majority of the group that showed up for the breakfast. So there's the X19 North America. 124 coupes here.
Yeah.
This is a really pretty green X19. These have a ton of cars here. I'd say there's probably about 500 cars that showed up here at the peak. It's a very nice looking GTV. And we have an Alpha Spider here. A little dusty, unfortunately. We have an early, probably a 1969 Alpha. Very clean.
I like them.
I'm sorry, it's a 1967. Beautiful engine. Well done.
Polished valve cover looks very nice. You don't see that very much.
Yeah, there's a few around here today.
Has a very nice
I started out
interior, exterior, very clean car. We have a number of really nice looking Alphas over here today. We have a few 164s, GTVs. Wow, this is a highly modified GTV. It has a very nice road cage in it. I would imagine it's for road racing of some sort. Very nice laid out gauges, tubbed.
Probably is fast.
Okay.
We'll get that.